Yo people, what's good? It's your boy UK's biggest hype, it's Ari Petru, and today is a madness, okay? I'm fully dressed, we're about to leave because I don't get my parcels delivered to my house, I get them delivered somewhere else. So we're about to go and collect my parcel, and in my parcel, bro, it is Tuesday the 27th, okay? My taxi is ringing me right now. It is Tuesday the 27th. This shoe comes out on the what? On the 3rd? Yeah. The shoe comes out on the 3rd. Ride with me, today's about to be sick. We're about to unbox a mad thing. So yeah, we're about to go and collect this very, very cheeky parcel, mate. This is actually sick. It doesn't snow that much in London at all. Yeah, so as soon as my shoe comes, we'll be back. So stay tuned. Honestly, please stay tuned. This video's mad. I'm waiting all day long for this parcel. It's snowing, look. UPS driver's right there. We've got the Jordans. Cheers, mate. Lads, we have got the parcel. We are dipping, and I'll see you at home. Well, people, we're back at the crib right now. We got the parcel, thank God. And basically, the reason I wanted this parcel so badly is because I want to tell you guys how you can win what's in this box for just $5. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna open up the box, and I'm gonna tell you how to enter and how it works and la 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 la. So let's get into the package right now.
A few inches later.
Here's the box. Let's get it. Let's see what's in here. Well, obviously I know what's in here. Oh no no no.
No 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 no.
This is my thing. So here we go. Is it supposed to be like that? Yeah. Is it?
You can see inside the box like that.
Oh, yo, that is mad. Yo, so I thought they were like cut up. Guys, look at this. So we've just got a normal Nike box, but look at this. You ready? Geezers, get ready. Oh no no no! Oh my days, bro! It is Tuesday the 27th. These shoes don't come out for a week. It's been a very long time since I've had like a limited sneaker early. The last one I had early was chocolate 750s, and it was only 1 day early. Look at this, guys. No joke. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh, and by the way, hey, we got 2 pairs. Guys, we've got 2. Oh my God. Oh my days. This is what I call team early, fam. This is what I call team early. You do what I'm saying, yeah? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We have got the Air Jordan Off-White white pair, 1 week early. And honestly, this crap is flames. Just cue the flames. Guys, honestly, the way it smells, oh my God. We got 2 pairs, one smaller than the other. They come with orange laces, they come with black laces, they come with blue laces, they come with purple laces. Look at it. Obviously they all say shoelaces on them. But guys, look, oh my God. And then we got the tag here. Just look how fire this shoe looks. It actually is wild. Look at it. I don't know whether to say this or not, but I think this might be better than the first pair. I don't know if I want to say that or not. I want to tell you how you can win this shoe for $5, right? We have, right here, we have a US 11, okay? This is a US 11, Air Jordan Off-White. You can win this for just $5, right? Thanks to @Hype Needs, they're a store, a resale store in Germany. They've basically helped me to help you guys win these for $5. So it's very, very simple. There's only 500 tickets, right? So imagine how many people are watching this video. There's only 500 tickets to win these shoes. All you have to do is you have to click the link down below. It's Prizify Limited, and I'll be hosting a raffle to win these for just $5. You can buy as many tickets as you like, or you can just buy 1 ticket. It's completely up to you. But think about it. These are only EU release only, okay? These are only gonna be limited to the EU. If you win, okay, there is a chance that you win these shoes for $5. You do not have to pay for them. That's it. You've won them for however many tickets you bought. Whichever ticket strikes lucky, That's it, you've won. That's it, they'll be shipped straight to you and you literally win this shoe. It's worth like $1,500, maybe like $2,000 in the US, because in the US these will not be released. So if you're in the US, hold the L, but you can maybe not take that L, enter the raffle, see if you can win these for just $5. Shout out, massive shout out to Hype Needs again. Make sure you go and follow them, make sure you show them so much love. They've got all the new Supreme season on there, the SS18, they've got all the accessories, all the stuff like that. I'm gonna leave their link down below as well. I'm gonna pop up their website somewhere here as well. They've got all the new latest stuff, so make sure you go and check that. Also, they have a couple more pairs of these early, so if you wanna go and grab a pair without buying the raffle, you can do. Obviously, there is a very, very steep price tag on them. But guys, you can win these for just $5. It's a madness. I've said it a million times. They are actually so flames. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that B-roll. Shout out to Ben, my photographer, filmer, basically one of my best mates. Shout out to Ben. He's literally been editing that B-roll for like the last hour. So massive shout out to him. He has a YouTube channel as well. I'll leave that link down below. Appreciate him. But it's a few hours later now, and what we have here of this Dead brand, I've never really heard of it before, but yeah. No, we ordered so much this week, or I ordered so much this week. Oh, this is that large duffel bag. Dude, you know how big this is? Oh my god. Yo, this is actually massive. But yeah, I'm not sure if you guys know tan's my favorite color of bags this season. Didn't know if you knew. What the hell? Okay, so some stickers and some more poppy seeds. Because, you know, Hypebeast gardener style. But we got another set of cups just for Bants. And then the last package before we wrap up this video, is it best till last? No, it's not. More cups. But you can't order more of the same thing. They sent me more cups. What the actual hell? So they sent me the wrong thing, but they sent me something that's worth like more, or retails for more. Anyway, more cups. I didn't actually want any more, but okay guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. If you have not already entered the raffle to win these for just $5, imagine the resale if you won them for $5. Just imagine the come up, bro. Anyway, this is gonna be the end of the video. If you are new around here, make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am trying to hit 100K as quick as possible, so make sure you subscribe down below. I really, really appreciate it. Drop a like on this video if you did enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed it. And also follow your boy on Instagram at AriPetra, UK's biggest hypebeast. If you're not following me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing with your life. It's been me, peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.